6 a.m. in the morning. And we are on the beach right next to our hostel. So today we're going to a cool waterfall, Siquijor. It's the first time in the Philippines that we also have our own pool at the hostel. So yesterday night we walked along the streets 9 p.m. and we knew we needed a scooter today. So at 9 p.m. we rent a scooter so we can go to the waterfall super early. That's our bad boy, yellow. And the reason we go so early is this waterfall is so busy that the only time you can visit it without other people is super early. It's half an hour drive. Let's go.
First stop, Arvin is checking if he got his driver license.
All good.
Second stop, fuel.
How much full?
One.
All good. This is our third stop, the Cambugahay Falls.
We are super early. Park that bike over there, yes?
You want this?
Oh, maybe on the way back. No, thank you. See you. How many steps?
1, 3, 5, 6, going down.
Whoa. I already see people. No. Whoo, guys, we made it to the waterfall. And we were the first ones. That's good. It's a 45-minute drive, but we did it in 20 minutes. Ask Art. He loves to be on the back of the scooter. I can already hear the waterfall. Cambugahay. And like I said, it is probably the best one on Siquijor. Siquijor, the island where we are right now. Very Instagram famous spot on the raft. There's a model over there. Rope swing coming in. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. It is so early that the sun is not even higher than the mountain. So we have to wait for a bit until the sun and the light is better.
Is gonna pay to ride around with the raft. Here, he's paying. There he goes. Arvin is ready.
So Arvin just paid 50 pesos to play with the raft.
Come back, we're going. No more playing with the raft. Good job. Okay, do it like Jack Sparrow. Smooth. People are already coming in. Look how busy it already is. Shit.
But another cool thing about the waterfall is that you have multiple levels. So now we go level 2. So we're walking through the jungle to the second level of the waterfall. And after that, there's another really fun feature, and that's a swing. Oh, many people. So this is the third level over there. There's also a raft.
Oh, Arvin is going for the raft. And also, this raft is not for free. You've got to pay 50 pesos again. Mission failed.
So apparently you need to pay for every raft. I thought it was all for one raft.
It's a different owner, Arvin.
Different owner. Every raft different owner, every swing different owner. That's what you call bullshit.
Another day in the Philippines!
So now we go back to the first level, do some swinging. Swinging.
Hey, here you see the fruit that we saw.
Really?
We didn't know what the fruit was.
Local fruit. Over there.
No idea what the name is.
No.
Please tell us. Let us know in the comments below.
It's like a melon. Like melon. Yeah. What's the name of the fruit?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Yes.
Is it like a pineapple?
No, it's like durian. Just open that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like melon.
Yeah.
Good. Yes. How much? How much?
It's 25 only.
Sorry?
Pesos.
For how much?
Huh?
For 20 watt for a whole.
For this one.
Really? Okay, we take it.
Why not?
Hands.
Just put it in your hand.
Big hand.
Big hands.
Okay. And then you...
Git. Ayo tay.
Here.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
No worries. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
So you only eat outside?
Yeah.
So not this?
Oh, okay.
Yes. They need to
But not the sticky. This sticky.
Yes.
Ah.
Sticky.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
No worries,
thank you.
let's go.
The highlight of the waterfall is actually this jackfruit.
Have you ever had it before?
No, first time jackfruit. How many times? First time jackfruit.
And the guy, he let us taste a bit. Good marketing, because we bought his whole piece of jackfruit.
For 35 pesos.
Jackfruit is really good, but it's also very sticky.
How many rates for the jackfruit?
5.
5?
Yeah, it's like a combination of melon, pineapple. No, more like melon. Art, what do you think?
It's like sweet.
Sweet.
Fruitella.
Frutella.
Frutella.
Do you know frutella? Do you know the fruitella? Tastes like candy. That was the first part of breakfast. Second part of the breakfast coming up.
And that is the second part of the breakfast.
Grilled banana.
Always good.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
15 for one light.
Bam.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Part 2.
And the third part of our breakfast is a rope swing.
Vámonos. Wait! So Art's gonna jump from the swing. Yes!
Yeah. I'm gonna film it. So this is the highest one.
Oh, Art.
was the highest one.
It is probably way higher than it looks. And it already looks pretty high.
This time Arwen is gonna dive from the rope swing. Hey everybody watching.
Waterfall on Siquijor, but we're gonna check out some more waterfalls, because why not? And they're on the way back to the hostel anyway. So we took a turn from the main road, and now we're in the middle of nowhere. We go to the next waterfall. So now we're making our way down to what is it called?
Cambugahay Falls.
Cambugahay Falls. Second waterfall today. Oh, through the natives.
Here it's free for swing. No fee here.
Gonna try his first backflip from the swing.
It's all.
Yeah, dry your hands. It's gonna help a lot. Jump! That's on the backflip, is it? How many stars for the backflip?
What?
How many stars for the backflip? 1 to 5. 5.
No, it's only
Only 2.
2.
2, yeah.
2.
This time from the lower level. Number 15.
Go!
No! Backflip is a lot harder than it looks.
Oh! Double backflip, yeah, nice! And now Arwen is gonna do a double backflip. Yeah! Woo! Wasn't a double backflip, but still counts.
So the second waterfall was only swinging, but a lot of fun. I tried the backflip.
I came to the conclusion that I don't have the strength to put my legs up, let alone do a backflip.
So enough waterfall for today. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do the rest of the day. But for now it's over.
It's over now. We'll see you.